In the previous video, we have seen how we can change the structure of the table by using alter command and create the database and table. Now in this video, we will see how we can insert the record in the existing column or in the blank table. For that, first we will again create the column in the table so that we can add some values into the column. Alter table name. Here I am adding a new column, cell, specifying the size. Whenever you are adding a column, specify the bracket also, because this is the syntax of that syntax to add a new column. Decimal, specifying how many digits I want. Total number of digits is 6 and I am specifying 2 for decimal part. Again I am creating one more column which is phone number, or you can say designation. Care, designation, specify on which post the particular employee is working, and then we can see the structure of the table. Now when you are entering the records into a particular table, then you have to see there are two syntax to insert the record. First, when we are inserting the values in all the columns. Now here when we are inserting the values in all the column, for that you have to specify the values the way you have created the column in that particular table. Insert into syntax is insert into table name and then values. All these are the keywords, and then put a bracket and then start specifying the value related to the column name. First name is the column, you can specify Aman. Another is employee number, which is of integer type, no need to put a quote. And then salary is also decimal type, you can specify digits, at least 4 digits. You can specify the 3 also, that is up to you, but it will take maximum 4, and after that it will automatically take last 2 digits in the decimal form. And then last one is the designation, and designation is of character type. Whenever there is a entry related to the character, always put in quotes, and then this entry is completed. Now once we have entered the record into the table, to see the records in the table, for that we will use select command. Select command is coming under the DML, data manipulation command. Insert command is also coming under the DML category. Now we have inserted one record. Suppose I just want to add 2 more records into the table. Reena, suppose if I am entering, giving some other name, and then here I am specifying some another designation. Suppose I just want to enter 2 more values. For that, here we can specify. This is the third. And then is the salary. And then again is the manager. And this way we can enter multiple records. Okay, my point. Just specify in this way. In this way, just specify. In this way we can enter multiple values into the table. Now you can see. Suppose if I want to enter the values into the specific column, for that we can use another syntax of insert command, which is insert into table name. Here we have to first specify the column name where we want to enter the value. Suppose for the time being I just want to enter the value in the employee number, employee name and salary. Only in 3 columns I want to enter the value. For that, after that you can specify the values the way you have specified the column name here in this command. First I have specified the column name, employee number, then specify the value for the employee number, Then then comes employee name, specify the name of the column, and then there is a cell. In this way we can enter the value into the specific column. Now you can see the value has been entered in the 3 columns. So now these are the 2 ways. Either you can insert the values into the all the columns by using this command, insert into table name values, and then if you want to enter into the specific columns, then insert into table name, specify the specific columns, and then specify the values according to the columns order that you have specified here. Once we enter the value, now then there is a requirement that I have to specify. Later on we are realizing that we have to enter the designation also, because insert command always, whenever you are start entering into the, by using the insert command, it will enter the new value. Now suppose I am entering a new value in this way. First is the employee number, then we have to follow the order the way the column is specified. Another is the column number, then is the salary of that column, and then is the, suppose this is the clerk. In this way we can specify the values of that column. And now you can see in the new, whenever you are using insert command, it will add a new entry into the table. For that, which command we will use to enter the value into the skipped column? For that we will use update command. Update command is used to do the changes in the existing records. Syntax is update, table name, set where you want to fix the value, column name is designation, here I am specifying the analyst. If I am not specifying any condition, then it will specify in all the columns. Suppose where employee number is, EMP number is 5, then it will do the enter. Now you can see. Suppose if I want to change anything, for that we can also do the changes. Suppose I just want to increase the salary, set sal equal to sal by all the records into 0.5% for all the employees. For that no need to specify the where clause, because where clause is specifying the particular condition, then according to that condition it will do the changes. If you are not specifying, then it will reflect on all the records. Now you can see the salary has been changed, because earlier the salary was this. Here I have just changed the salary to 0.5%. I have to do the changes related to what I have to do. I have to change the salary, sal plus. This was the exact command, existing salary, and I am doing some calculation to that. Only then it will do the changes. Now you can see. Here earlier I had written the incorrect command. Now you can see the changes. Suppose if I have to do the changes, salary of all employees should be 6,000. Now it will increase whatsoever the salary all employees are holding. After that it will do the increment of 6,000. Clear? If you want to do some changes related to particular thing, then you can specify where employee number should be greater than 3. Then the new changes will reflect only to those particular columns. Now you can see earlier the value was different, now the value was different, where the employee number is greater than 3. Only the change will be reflected on the 5th and 7th record. In this way, I hope this video is clear to you. In this video we have learned how we can insert the records and do the changes in the existing code by using the update command. That's all for today's video. In the next session we will see how we can use the where clause in different forms. Thank you.